Hello, my friend. I'm Aria from Shenzhen Volport Technology Limited. Today, I would like to introduce our newer magnetic card holder. Here, this is the box, gift box. Very beautiful white box. Okay, now let's open it. You can see one instruction and alcohol pad and two 3M stickers for backup and one metal plate, very thin metal plate. And you can see this is a film just to protect it from scratch. And now the magnet plate and the ball holder. You can see the sticker at the bottom. Okay, now let me show you how to use it. First of all, you just take your phone and use the alcohol pad, clean the back, clean the position of for this stick. Use this. Clean here and stick your metal plate behind your phone, just like it. And the magnet plate is just a middle part. The flat side is for your phone, like it. Just the middle part, and this side for your ball holder. You can see, just like it. So that will work. You can stick your ball holder on a table and on your car dashboard. Very beautiful. You can see our product. The magnet is very strong. So you can use on your 5.5-inch phone or smaller phone, or your GPS, anything. Quite stable and beautiful. And if you don't want anything stick behind your phone, you can use a phone case. Just put it in the phone case, so you don't have to stick it on anything on your phone. You can see our ball holder. It's very beautiful and shiny. So if you are interested and like our product, you can find us on our Alibaba website, our eBay, and our Amazon. Welcome to order some samples from us. Thank you.